How to promote Temu links with TikTok and earn money. Hey guys, in this tutorial I'll show you guys how you can easily promote Temu links and products on your TikTok and earn money from them. So the first thing you're going to have to do is go to Temu and make sure that you're logged into your account. So as you guys know, if you share any product or any link of the product from Temu will give you a certain amount for the affiliate link. So all you have to do is create an attractive video on TikTok and letting people know about the product. And if they click on the link, you can get certain amount of commission for that. So what you can do is just select your product first. So let's say if I want to share this product, what I can do is tap on the share button at the top, and then I can simply copy its link. Now you can just go to your TikTok. So let me just copy link again first. I'm gonna have to verify this CAPTCHA. So let's just do the security verification. And once you've successfully copied the link, you can go to your TikTok. And then from here, you can tap on the plus icon at the bottom. Here I've just added the random video, but you can add the pictures of the product. And then finally, when you tap next, you can add the link to your description. So let's just add this link right here and then post it. So tap on post video and you should be good to go. So that's pretty much it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful. I'll catch you guys on the next one.